A CLC for me is positivity and engagement.
CLC is really the concept that education and community should be together, and that the community benefits and the students and the school benefit by working together.
We were alone out in the Tuque, and we didn't have services beyond our school board.
We can't do it all. There's no school that can do everything on its own.
How do we make sure that we reach out to our community, that we make our schools available to our entire community?
The school is the place where a great deal happens in a youth's life, and we have to be able to involve the community in that.
The need was there for people to collaborate because they wanted to revitalize their English community.
The CLC is active citizenship.
By being a member of the CLC network, we were able to tap into an extraordinary abundance of resources provincially that make us feel a part of Quebec's Anglophone community.
It's all based on partnership.
The CLC is a place for lifelong learning.
From birth to senior citizens.
We run intergenerational activities. We have cooking with seniors.
What this is showing our community is that we never stop learning. We really wanted to improve the relationship that our parents had with our school and with our community.
Je trouve que c'est important parce qu'aujourd'hui, on est dans un monde très individuel. On a de la misère à se parler entre voisins.
Said school's about life, the what's, where's, and how's. So forget about later, it gets better right now.
Many of our schools, we have high Aboriginal student populations, and so we saw that there's a need to have specialized approaches about how we best support those students and those families.
Our big problem was always inspiring people to want to come to school. Nobody wants to come to school to do math, but maybe they want to come to school to do hip-hop, or they want to come to school to cook, but they have to be here all day to do that.
Come on, go poop big, y'all.
I believe that it's had a real effect on their attendance. Attendance means that you're in class, means that you're doing assignments, means that you're successful, means that you graduated.
Students that engage with any community-based projects and CLC projects just shine.
We had a 100% success rate in our secondary fives last year. Kids are more engaged in their learning. Big change. I've seen a really big change.
A CLC is a revolution.
They've revitalized the community. They put a life into the school that wasn't there when I walked in the doors 5 years ago.
Just really finding that sense of unity and belonging again, whether it be for students with each other or our adults, the community as a whole.
You can keep it real and aim for the impossible. You can keep both feet on the ground, leap over obstacles. She said some people hide and some go seek. So if you got a dream, why not go for it?